Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into best Fidelity Crypto for ETF crypto exposure. If you want crypto exposure without buying coin directly, Fidelity offers an easy solution through its crypto ETFs like FBTC for Bitcoin and FETH for Ethereum. So this fund tracks the price of each asset, giving you exposure to crypto performance while keeping everything inside your regular Fidelity brokerage or IRA account. It's perfect for investors who prefer traditional trading structure but still want to benefit from crypto growth. Both ETFs are managed by Fidelity and custodied by Fidelity Digital Asset, ensuring top-type security and transparency. They come with a low expense ratio of around 0.25%, which make them cost-effective compared to other crypto funds. If you want simple, regulated, and tax-efficient crypto exposure, these ETFs are your best bet. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance insight, and comment which one would you like to invest in. Is it FBTC or FETH, which is Fidelity Bitcoin or Fidelity Ethereum? And that's it.